Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a cook and clean with me. I'm just sharing some of my tasks that I need to get done and I was putting off and didn't want to do, along with a really good recipe that we absolutely love. It's super family friendly. It's a recipe for homemade hamburger helper, and if you guys want that recipe, stick around to the end and I will include it in this video. With all that being said, let's get on into the cleaning. So I just went ahead and listed all the ingredients over here to the side of the screen, so you guys can pause the video now if you need to and screenshot that. We have been trying to make some different recipes and still use some of our favorite ones that we have tried and are just foolproof. This is one of them. We absolutely love this. Super simple and everybody absolutely raves about it. So I'm just making my hamburger helper and gonna make some mashed potatoes to go along with it and some corn. When we make mashed potatoes, we usually use just evaporated milk and butter, salt and pepper. Today I was using whipping cream, butter and salt and pepper, so we didn't have evaporated milk in the cabinet. But it's just a cheaper alternative to heavy whipping cream, and they turn out really good either way. So to cook my hamburger helper, I'm just going to start off with my ground beef, cook it through, and then add my onions and cook them until they're just transparent. The next thing I'm going to do is just add all my spices and seasonings in, mix that in really well, and then I'm going to add my liquids. So this is my milk and my broth that I'm going to add. I'm gonna let that come up to a simmer, and then I'm gonna add my pasta in. So I'm using elbow macaroni. You don't have to use elbow macaroni if you don't want to. I'm gonna let the pasta get fully cooked, and then after it's thoroughly cooked, I'm gonna add in my cheese and let it melt. You can add shredded cheese, or today we didn't have enough shredded cheese, so I'm just using this Velveeta packet. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, and they're super affordable and really easy and handy to use or have on hand to be able to use for macaroni or this hamburger helper recipe. I'm just going to serve it along with some mashed potatoes and corn. And if you guys give this a try, please let me know, and let me know how you guys like it. Thank you all so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. I appreciate it so much, and I hope all of you guys are staying safe and healthy at home. I have a few more videos coming up this week, including a pre-spring clean with me, so be on the lookout for that. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.